Hey guys, welcome back to the RestoMods garage. Today we are going to be tackling an install of a vintage air unit. So none of these chargers that we give away are complete without AC. It's just a modern comfort, and all over the country you're gonna need AC in the summer, and we want you to drive this car year round. So Vintage Air has always been our go-to. We're gonna be installing their Gen 4 system. This thing is completely spec'd out to fit right into a Dodge Charger. It's gonna use some of the factory type controls. They have a really nice upgraded control panel. And they make kits for every type of car, so not just Chargers, but that's what we're gonna be installing today. So we're gonna be ripping out the old heater box. This was a non-AC unit car, so it never had AC. So we're just gonna be taking out the heater box, installing the AC unit. We already have an upgraded serpentine setup with an AC compressor on this car. So when we asked Vintage Air to spec this out for us, we just got it without the compressor. So this thing should go in pretty smoothly. They have really good instructions. If you guys are interested in adding AC to your car, don't cheap out. There's a lot of other units out there that are just substandard, subpar. They're just not gonna do the job as good as the Vintage Air. Get yourself a nice kit. They come with nice detailed instructions, and you're gonna be happy you did it. So follow along as we tackle the install on this and get some AC in this green 69 Charger. Okay, so that wraps up the complete install of the Vintage Air unit on the 69 Charger. Everything went in nice and smooth. Shout out to Vintage Air. This kit had a lot of stuff that was specific to a 69 Charger, so that made the install a little bit easier than trying to adapt universal stuff. Everything under the dash looks nice and clean. Controls look good. We got our vents now. This system is really gonna upgrade the 69 Charger. You got cold AC, you're gonna have hot air and defrost. So shout out to them for making a really quality product. And just one more thing to make this 69 Charger that much more comfortable for you in the driver's seat.
This is a 1969 Dodge Charger, and it could be yours. This is our 21st giveaway vehicle, and you could be our 21st winner. All you gotta do is head over to RestoMods.com, Claim those entries, get a little bit of luck, and we could be flying you to San Diego to pick up this car and 20 grand in cash.